Welcome to Arpan Trading. In this video, I am going to tell a very profitable strategy. This strategy works for stock trading, forex trading and even crypto and commodity trading. Watch the videos, learn the strategy, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. We will use 4 moving averages in this strategy. We are going to use 15-period EMA, 45-period EMA, 150-period EMA, and 174 EMA. I will tell the uses of EMA in this strategy one by one. I have already added the moving averages to the chart. This is Euro-USD chart. Now we have added all the EMA and now let's see how to take the trade. 15 EMA is green in color. 45 EMA is purple in color. 150 EMA and 174 EMA is white in color. We call 150 EMA and 174 EMA as tunnel. Now the rule for trading. Whenever price crosses the tunnel, be ready for the setup. Now look for 15 EMA to cross the tunnel, which is in green color. As soon as 15 EMA crosses the tunnel, we will take the trade right there, after the candle closes. And put stop loss just below the 45 EMA, which is in purple color here. You can trail the stop loss, according to the movement of 45 EMA, which is in purple color. And for booking profit, take the profit, 1:2. That means your buying is here and stop loss is here, then your profit-taking level should be 2 times of this level. That means, the profit-taking level will be here. Let's see another example. Price crossed the tunnel first. We will get ready for setup. Next, 15 EMA crossed the tunnel, now we can take the trade when candle closes here. Our stop loss will be here just above the 45 EMA and our profit booking level will be 2 times of this range. That means we will book profit here. Thanks for watching. We will keep sharing profitable strategy here. Please like and subscribe.